Hi everyone, welcome back to Wimarb Nutrition. Hi. In today's video, we are going to talk about proteins. So we are going to look at a brief overview about what proteins are and the food that has protein. So we are going to look at their major sources. So let's learn about it. And before we get to today's video, I know most of you have just been hearing my voice and they don't know me. So my name is Mercy. You can also call me Mercy Wimarb, and I am a nutritionist and a YouTuber. And lastly, if you are watching this video, give this video a like. Don't also forget to share it to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that this channel can grow. So let's learn about these proteins. So protein is one of the macronutrients, and it has various metabolic and physiologic functions. Proteins also regulates our appetite. It regulates the food intake. It also regulates our body weight and also our body composition. Proteins also play role in regulation of blood pressure. They also play a role in glucose regulation and also in lipid metabolism, bone metabolism, and also in our immune systems. Okay, so we have these proteins are made from amino acids. So we can say that amino acids are the building blocks of these proteins. So we really need to understand what these amino acids are so that we can get a real picture of what these proteins are. So we have amino acids are classified into two. There are essential amino acids and we also have the non-essential amino acids. For the essential amino acids, these are the amino acids that they cannot be produced by the body. So it means we have to acquire these amino acids from the diet. And for the non-essential amino acids, it means it's just the opposite of the other, and we can acquire them by the body, or our body can process or can manufacture, and we get these amino acids. Having learned about what makes up these proteins, let's now look at the sources of these proteins. So we have protein sources from two major categories, and that is from plant-based or from animal-based sources. So comparing the two, we have animal-based proteins are perceived to have a higher protein to energy ratio. This means that for a particular animal-based protein source, it will offer more of the proteins than the energy it will be offering. And also we have these animal-based proteins are more digestible than the plant proteins. And let's look at the first category of protein sources, and that is animal-based sources. So we are going to look at the categories or the subcategories in these categories and also their examples. So the first category or the subcategory is poultry. So we have the meats of the likes of turkey, chicken, duck, overs. These are the major sources of these proteins. And I saw it also good to have eggs there. Though, okay, it's not a type of meat, of course, but it's kind of related. So also eggs offer some good amounts of proteins. The second category of protein sources from animal are the seafoods. For example, we have fish, and talking about fish, we refer to all the types or kinds of fish. Third, we have the dairy products. So dairy products include milk, and we also have other products such as yogurt. You also can acquire proteins from other milk products or the dairy products in general. The fourth source are the red meats. So this is one of the major sources under the category of the animal-based proteins. So we have examples of these red meats include beef, we also have pork, we have lamb, we have veal, and we also have goat meat and the mutton. Finally, let's look at the second category, that's the plant-based protein sources. The first subcategory are the legumes. So, the examples of these legumes are soybeans. We also have lentils, we have peas, and beans. So, when you talk of beans, you talk of all the types or kinds of beans. For example, the black beans, the yellow beans, and the sorts. The second subcategory are the nuts and seeds. And the examples include pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, cashew nuts, and we also have chia seeds and walnuts. And if you're wondering how it could be taken, I know we all have access to some of these seeds or nuts. So, for example, pumpkin seeds, in our channel, we have talked about how you can prepare pumpkin seeds so that you can take. So I'll attach the link to that video in the description down below so that you can go watch, and then you can get to learn how you can be taking these pumpkin seeds. That's it, so that it can offer the proteins that it has, together alongside with other nutrients that these pumpkin seeds have. And lastly, we have another source, and I know it will sound so strange, but let's just look into it. So we have some other vegetables such as broccoli and asparagus have some amounts of these proteins. So I know nobody could imagine that these kinds of vegetables also have these proteins, but it's good that we now know. We have come to the end of our video today, guys. So I hope you've learned something, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. So give a like to this video, also drop a comment down below, and don't forget to share it so that other people can also know what proteins are and the sources. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly hit that subscribe button now and turn on that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.